I'm Shae Russell from mining.com.au and I'm coming to you from the RIU Investment Showcase on the Gold Coast for 2025. Sitting next to me is Johan Lambrechts, the Managing Director for Antares Metals. Johan, it is lovely to see you again. How are you?
Good, thank you. Thank you for having me, Shae.
Pleasure to have you on. All right, let's talk about copper in the Mount Isa region, one of my favourite places in Australia to explore for. Tell me, can you give us a little bit of a rundown of where your project is at?
Yeah, we've got 2,000 square kilometres north of Mount Isa. We're surrounded by several tier 1 type deposits, copper and other base metals. And we have some pretty prolific copper and uranium prospectivity in the area.
So what sort of exploration work are you doing on this project at the moment?
We've done a bit. Since acquiring the projects late last year, we've completed 2 drill programs, but before the drilling we also did some geophysical targeting on 2 of our projects, Surprise and Conglomerate Creek. They identified targets which in the Surprise context we've drilled once in December, identified some results up to 16% copper, 11 meters at 2%. And then the second phase of drilling was completed or started at the start of May. It's now completed with assay results imminent, and that resulted in the discovery of 2 extensional targets north of Surprise, which we're excited to put a third phase of drilling in the next month or 2.
Surprised at the surprise target. I love that play on words. So obviously there's going to be quite a lot of news flow coming forward. What can investors look forward to seeing from the company over the coming weeks and months? Well,
we've got the results from Surprise coming out. We haven't received them, but they should be imminent, so we'll get them back as quick as we can. And we've got field activities both around the Surprise area as well as Conglomerate Creek. We've also got some uranium-focused field activities which we'll be notifying the market of once we've done them. There'll be some rock results coming back, and then we got a drill. Surprise, the third phase, we'll be drilling sometime probably early August. A little bit of design work and so on to be done once we receive the assay results. But lots of news flows you can hear, and pretty continuous at that into the end of the season and then later on as well.
Lots of news flow, great looking rocks. I love it when you can see green in the rocks. Very exciting times ahead. Listen, Johan, thank you so much for being here today. It was great to catch up.
Yeah, thank you for having me, and thanks for everybody for following.